Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to show you how you can share on LinkedIn your YouTube videos. And I know you have an option there to share the new videos to go automatically on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. But what I want to show you now is if you already posted your videos on YouTube, how you can schedule to share those at any time you want on LinkedIn. So let's say you have 50 videos on YouTube and you want those to be shared on different times on LinkedIn. So let's start doing that. First thing what you do is you go on Power Automate, obviously. Then you click create and we go to scheduled flow because we want to create a scheduled flow. And then we say post or maybe share on LinkedIn. Okay, so we share in LinkedIn our video. We start with the date of the day, or you can choose a different date. We can choose the time. You can choose any time of the day you want. Obviously, I will choose maybe let's say I'll choose in the evening, 10:15 for example, and I will say if I want this to be reshared each minute, each hour, each day, each week, or each month. So I'll just say each week because I want the other videos to be shared as well. So I don't want just this video to be shared too many times because you know, the public will get, or the followers will get too annoyed. So I'll just say maybe every week, and I will choose the days. In what day do you want that to be shared? So I will just say I want to be shared on Fridays, for example, and I'll just click create. So we created a recurrence, and then we create next step. So this is just to reshare again and again and again on LinkedIn. Then what we do, we search here to find the connector, the LinkedIn connector, and we choose the first option, share an article. Okay, and here we need the content URL, and then we need to confirm if this will be visible to guests or not. So maybe you want to be visible only to your connections, or maybe you want to be public. So in this way you choose. I'll just pick up one of my videos and data scientist, and then I'll copy and paste that in there, and I will say yes, I want to be visible to the public. Okay, and I'll just save this flow. Once I have this saved, then I will click test, and I'll just perform a trigger action test and run flow. Okay, so I can see that my flow was successfully started. I'll just say done, and I can see the flow run successfully. I can see everything, no errors in there. So the next step is to go on LinkedIn to see if actually my post, my video was reshared on LinkedIn. So let's check on LinkedIn. So when I'm going on LinkedIn, I can see here my post, 1 minute. So 5 movies a data analyst must see. It's the same video and the one which I got it from YouTube. So basically that's it, friends, how you can let's say reshare your videos on LinkedIn at any hour, and you can go enjoy a coffee and your videos will get shared on LinkedIn. You can do, I'll do in the next videos how you can share on Twitter or Instagram, Facebook and stuff like that.